Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 1A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers of NIOS in the PDF and handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. You can call also. Here, we are here for providing all the solution regarding studies. You can contact us anytime. So question number 1A is, imagine you are a scientist discovering a new organism. Which kingdom would you initially place in it and why? How do you think understanding this classification system can help us learn more about the variety of the life on Earth? We have prepared all the answers according to the chapter wise, according to the limit wise. So if you need answers, you can contact us anytime. We will share all the details according to you. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.